What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Dogecoin today. As you can see, we did just now break out of this consolidation period that we had. It was such a small area of consolidation where we broke out of it to a negative trend line. So we're gonna go over this today. We're gonna go over our technicals and what we got coming up next, and we're gonna go over some whales that are buying lots of Dogecoin on this dip. So, anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, let's go straight over this. As you can see, the 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 100%. So, the whole crypto market is pretty much 100% bearish, not just Dogecoin. So I don't want to act like it's just Dogecoin going down. As you can see, 47.6K here for Bitcoin. Right now, a lot of things are trying to get back and take back some of these losses and turn them to gains, but right now everything's going down big time. So it's definitely a pretty bad time for crypto, but this always happens in the crypto market. This is nothing new. We expect this in the crypto market. Literally, everyone was like, get ready for crypto winter. We all knew this was going to happen. We knew something was going to happen. We didn't know how bad it would be. Honestly, this isn't that bad, but it could turn a little bit worse. We could get a lot more selling coming in the market. But let's talk about Dogecoin here. So as you can see, we did just now break out of this consolidation period. So remember, the green areas here are supply and demand, showing more demand for Dogecoin. The red areas, the red shaded areas up here are supply and demand, showing less demand. So right now, we're actually about to hit a more demand area. That green area is about to hit a high demand area. So when we hit that, we're going to probably bounce back up on another uptrend, and we're probably going to try to retest 18 cents. We might even try to get past 17, but we might get rejected. Just letting you know, we might get rejected because right now this is a small area of supply and demand. That's a small area. Now the green area down here, this is a way bigger area. So when we hit this, we're definitely going to have some momentum building up. So I definitely want to mention right now the 16-cent area. That is definitely a good area of support for Dogecoin, but I would definitely say watch out because right now in the crypto market, there's a lot of FUD, a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. The whole fear index, whatever they call that thing, it's very high right now. Is at one of the highest points it's ever been. There's a lot of fear in the market. Even the stock market, everything's going down. So right now, it's not just Dogecoin. But like I said, we did just now break out its consolidation to a negative downtrend. So we're going to end up going down probably until about 16-cent flat and then trying to do some resurging up towards 18 cents or possibly even dropping down lower to 14 cents and then having a retest there. So let's go over a few things. So Dogecoin price rejected by stiff resistance that I just now showed you and could trigger a 40% sell-off that I just now showed you. So our resistance was really at 18 cents. They say about 19, I say about 18. But anyways, over here you can see Dogecoin price rejected by top of the 19-cent double bottom. So Doge now sees bulls trying to defend 16 cents, a historical and monthly S1 support level. So we're seeing huge support coming up here at 16 cents. Now, I want to say some other stuff here. So a break below could trigger an aggressive sell-off, resulting in a 40% devaluation for Dogecoin. So what they're saying is, if we break 16 cents, if we go below this area right here, which is our supply and demand, if we go below this 16-cent supply and demand, they're saying we're going to probably drop by 40% or so, which would bring us pretty much down here, 13 cents, which is definitely correct because this is where our next supply and demand is, showing where our next support is. So after you break the 16-cent support, we'll probably end up hitting the 14 to the 12 cents, somewhere around there, somewhere between that area. But anyways, Dogecoin price is continuing its downtrend, which has strengthened after bears seized the opportunity to add more short positions following the rejection at the 19-cent ceiling. So currently, tailwinds look to be fading for cryptocurrencies, and bulls are unlikely to find much external support to try and defend the 16-cent floor. So a break below there could spiral into a price correction to under 10 cents, holding a 40% possible devaluation for Doge. They're saying it could quite possibly get below 10 cent if we keep having more selling in the crypto market. I'm telling you this right now. Let's have Dogecoin reach 10 cents. Let's just do it. Let's do some math here. Like literally, if Dogecoin reaches 10 cents and you put $1,000 into Dogecoin, that's going to give you 10,000 Dogecoin. At $1, that gives you $10,000. Now, if Dogecoin reaches 1 cent and you just add another zero, say Dogecoin reaches 1 cent, $1,000 gives you 100,000 Doge. 100,000 Doge gives you $100,000 when we reach $1. So it's like, I want this to go down. I want Dogecoin to reach 1 cent. I want this to happen, but it's taken so long. I'm like, oh my gosh, can we just have this sell off already? Like, can we already have all the paper hands and shake them out already? Because there's so much FUD inside the crypto market. I'm not scared about any of this. I'm just putting more money in here. And a lot of people are so scared, like watching it go down. That's why I always say, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Like, I put $1,000 in here. I don't care what happens to that $1,000. I put $10,000. I don't care about what happens to that $10,000 because I'm willing to lose it. So it's all about your risk factor, like, I'm not gonna act like I'm all rich here and stuff, but to be completely honest, like, I have a good amount of money in crypto right now, but I'm not breaking any sweats. Like, I have almost $10,000 at this point inside crypto, almost more than that, but I have it, spread out between a lot of different cryptos. So I'm just letting everything play out as it does, and just letting it play out. Like, I'm not even scared. I'm letting the money go up. I'm letting the money go down. A couple months ago, I had 20,000. Sometime now, I have a little bit less. So I'm not worried about it. I'm just letting everything happen, buying more and more and more as we go on with crypto and with this whole crash. So that's what I'm doing. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. That's just what I'm doing personally. I'm going to keep buying the dips here because I know long term this is going to get us somewhere. Like, I know this. This is definitely going to have to rise inside the future. Like, literally. Like, Dogecoin cannot just stay at one set price. Dogecoin cannot stay at 16 cents. Like, the bulls will not allow that to happen. And I want to say Elon Musk won't allow that to happen, but he hasn't talked about Dogecoin like personally on an actual post in a while. Like, all we need is a post from Elon Musk, and then we go to the moon. Like, that's just the facts. Now, if we get the Doge One rocket, we can also go to the moon then. So, anyways, Dogecoin price sees bears targeting 9 cents to the downside. So, Dogecoin price took another leg lower in its downtrend this week, below 19 cents. So, the Doge price started to normalize after a turbulent weekend. So with the bulls trying to reclaim 19 cents, but they got rejected as bears seized the momentum, squeezing them out of their positions. Pretty much we got rejected at the 18-cent level. Now, as you can see over here, as price action in Doge now looks to test 16 cents, bulls are scrambling to defend both the historical level and the monthly S1 support level, but without any tailwinds behind them to help. So bulls are definitely trying to make this win. But I'm going to show you some whales inside of a second here. But let's keep going over this first. So Doge looks right for the break to the downside below 16 cents, as not many elements seem to be standing in the way. Bears will likely have a smooth run to the downside with only the monthly S2 support around 10 cents and the historical support level at 9 cents standing in the way. So 9 cents, 10 cents coming soon, pretty much what they're saying, if we keep having these downtrends in the market. So the relative strength index will be then likely trading higher in the oversold area, pretty much. So indicating the correction will probably halt at these levels as buyers re-enter the market, seeing an opportunity to pick up Doge at a discount. So we may see a lot of overselling with Doge, but if we oversell, they're pretty much saying that the bulls are going to buy in, seeing that discount, seeing that opportunity to build momentum and get money. Like, that's what they want. They want to get money here. So if bulls can defend and hold 16 cents in return, a return to 19 cents is likely, but again, with the risk of another rejection. So if market sentiment turns more positive for crypto, this could act as a catalyst to push Doge price above 19 cents and see a return to possibly 26 cents, depending on the strength and a number of factors. So the issue is that both the 55-day and 200-day simple moving averages are hovering just above the monthly pivot around 24 cents, making it quite a challenge to even reach 26 cents. Now, all technicals aside, Bitcoin goes up and goes on a huge price rally, Dogecoin will follow. That's pretty much as simple as it is. Bitcoin goes down on a huge downtrend, Dogecoin will follow. That's as simple as it can get. Bitcoin 100K, Dogecoin $1. Bitcoin 50K, Dogecoin 20 cents. This is pretty much how it goes, Bitcoin 80K, Dogecoin 40 cents, Bitcoin 40K, Dogecoin 10 cents. Bitcoin 30K, Dogecoin 5 cents. So that's what I'm looking at here. This is probably what we could see coming up, or Dogecoin 10 cents for Bitcoin 30K. But yeah, this is all I got for you all. But I do want to go over some other stuff other than these technicals. So let's go over that. We're going to go over the whales real quick. But look here, 24-hour market is 3.1% down. Not too bad for Dogecoin. I'm looking at a lot of other cryptos that are down like 15%. So it's not too bad. But we are down 20% in the last 7 days. So that's still bad. Now, let's just go over these whales right here. So you can see this whale came in 61.5, or actually they came in with $64 million earlier today. Now they have 61.5 million. So they made $1.5 million, not even in a full day, like 10 hours. So literally $1.5 million in like 10 hours. Like, I want to do that. Like, I'm going to be doing that type of stuff. Like, trust me, I'm going to be doing that type of stuff. I'm going to be up here, big balling, big money very soon. But yeah, this is a lot, like a lot of money going through Dogecoin right now. So they're really doubling down on this. The whales are really trying to buy in on these dips. That's why I like the vital algo indicators, because really I would have sold right here, right as the chance of reversal hit, and then I would have bought back in down here if I was doing some day trades. So that's just what I would have been doing if I was day trading, and then buying here and then letting it resurge up on this uptrend here. So the chance of reversal actually showed us right here at the bottom that we are going to go back on an uptrend. So you could have sold out here, bought back in here, sold out here, because it would have showed you the chance of reversal is about to happen. So you sell out here, and then once it goes down, this chance of reversal would have showed you that it's about to go up again, so that you would have sold or bought here, and then you would have sold up here, and then it's literally as simple as that with the vital algo indicators. You really just follow these chance of reversals, and you follow the uptrends in the supply and demand areas in the 24-hour market control. That's why I go over the technicals every day with these indicators, because I don't trade personally. I used to, but I used to trade before I even had these indicators. But I'm really waiting until I have $100,000 plus to start trading, and I'm gonna hit that area soon. But once I get to like 100K plus, that's when I'm gonna start doing day trades. But anyways, that's all I really got. I want to go over a few other whales. So this whale here, $54.2 million. This whale has been buying the dip consistently the whole time. These are all orders from today. This is all today. And then from here down is all from yesterday. And then from here down is all from the 8th. So this Dogecoin whale literally doing nothing but buying all this Dogecoin. Like, there's a few sales here and there, but really they're buying a lot of Dogecoin on the dip. So we're seeing a lot of whales, a lot of bulls trying to do this, trying to push Dogecoin up past its limits. Right here, $17.7 million bought yesterday with this Dogecoin whale. But yeah, that's all I got today. I just wanted to show you guys what we got going on in Dogecoin. So yeah, definitely expect 15 cents and eventually 12 cents soon with Dogecoin if we keep going down inside the crypto market. Anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.